Are you confused by the terms POA, POI, or zero? Well, we're going to take care of that today. Let's take it to the board. Welcome back, crew, and today we're going to be talking about a few different terms. One of them being POA, or point of aim. We're going to be talking about POI, or point of impact. And we're going to be talking about zero. So imagine, if you will, looking through a scope, or looking through a red dot. The point inside that scope or red dot, which is typically going to be where the crosshairs meet, or the dot itself, is your point of aim. Now imagine, if you will, a target. We've got a target here. Put a couple of rings in it and a bullseye. And you're looking at that target through a scope, and you line those crosshairs up with the bullseye. Now, our point of aim, again, is going to be right here, dead center in that bullseye. But when we fire, let's say that the shot actually hits right here. This is what is the point of impact. Now, where the zero comes into play is when the point of aim meets the point of impact at a specific distance. So, when point of aim equals point of impact at, let's say, 100 yards, that would be your zero. So there you go, a pretty basic understanding of point of aim, point of impact, and zero. Hopefully, if you're out there, if you're new to the firearms world, you found this helpful. If you have any questions, by all means, drop those comments below. Thank you for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.